Well, hello everybody. Welcome to the first installment of the 7 days of Cricutmas. I'm Aaron. This is Happy Sad Crafts. What we're going to get into today is we are going to make a 12 by 12 sign for our first in the Christmas collection. It's going to be a cookie sign. I will put the design right there. It's pretty cool, right? You like it? All right. So to start off, we already got our MDF pre-cut at 12 inches by 12 inches. We got some black chalk paint right here. This is Folkart. We got our roller right here. We want to get this base coat on here so we can get it rolling, so we can get our vinyl cut. So let's start. A nice even coat all over the board. Find usually with the black you only need one coat. But a lot of the times with like white you do. I swear these things just suck up like all of your paint. Like there's more paint washed out when I put it through the sink than like when I'm actually painting it itself. Cool. And so once that's fully dried, we're going to put a layer of acrylic sealer on there, because I've noticed a lot of the times when you're doing stencils, or you're putting like a vinyl stencil, or even just with the stencil paper right here over the paint, no matter how many layers you do, you're still going to pull up some of that paint, that backing paint, and then you're going to have spots everywhere and it's going to look
major poopy.
And we don't want that, so we just put a nice clear coat. Polyacrylic would work, not polyurethane because it'll yellow it, but some polyacrylic or some clear acrylic sealer, or even just like a Rust-Oleum clear sealer. So we got this done. We're gonna let this dry. I will hop over onto the computer there in the Cricut design space, and I will see you there. All right, everybody, welcome back. We are in our Cricut design space here, and we're gonna import our image so we can get it cut out and put onto our sign. So we'll upload here. I already have it in my recent uploads, but if you don't have it there, then you can just hit upload image, hit browse, you'll click your image, you'll hit simple. Here, I'll just show you. You'll hit simple, continue, and then I was being a dummy, so I drew on it as a JPEG instead of a PNG, so I had to go through and click out each individual piece like this if you need to, but if it's a PNG, just go straight through. And then you will just click cut image and then upload it, but we're not going to do that because I already have it right here. So we will add to canvas. That is cool beans, but I don't think we really need it 42 inches. That would be cool, but don't have the machine or the materials for that, so we're just going to bring it down to right about yeah. All right, we'll hit make it. Shake and bake and make it. Well, that looks good. Our 12 by 12, continue. And then we want to make sure with this that you set it to the custom dial on your machine. So, and from there you can go to browse all materials, and then you can just type in stencil vinyl. I found that this works really well, and then I favorited it. I added the little star just so I can just click it every single time, and that makes it easy. So we will see you back over on the table. We will get this cut out, weeded, and put onto our sign. All right, awesome. So we got our vinyl already pre-cut to the mat size, the 12 by 12. We stuck each other all smooth like. We hit our load button to load it up in the Cricut machine. Now, since we got everything already going on the computer, we can just hit our button and let her rip. All right, so we got our cut vinyl from the Cricut here with our design on it. And then I cut a piece of transfer tape here, 12 by 12 to fit in just a little bit extra on the edges, just for room for error. So it is ridiculously windy outside tonight, so I don't think we're gonna get any spray painting done. But tomorrow we got the whole day to do everything, so we're gonna weed this really quick, and then we're gonna put it on the transfer tape, and then I'll come back tomorrow. We're gonna do some cutting with the meter saw, get the frame cut out, and then we will get this bad boy painted onto the wood and all put together, and we should have it done by tomorrow night. So I'm gonna go through a time lapse really quick so you guys don't have to sit here and watch me the entire time weeding. So I will see you when this is done. This looks great so far. So we got the stencil on here. Already got the backing off, put it on there. And then what we're gonna do is take our base paint of the black chalk paint, and we're gonna stick that on there just to get that stencil nice and sealed down. You can use a little bit of Mod Podge on a foam brush and dab it on there. That's another way that some people do it. I haven't found a ton of success with that, so I kind of just stick with what I know here. And that's just putting the base coat on there. So we will do that really quick, and then we'll head outside and get this bad boy spray painted and put all together. All right, this bad boy is just about done. Looks dry. So what I did after I put on all the wood is I flipped it over, and then I stuck some more wood along all the edges. What a lot of people will do is they will take their nail gun and they'll stick like the nails straight into the frame all around to get it secure. I found when I do that, it's kind of cattywampus, and the MDF isn't thick enough, and so it'll go like behind it or in front of it, and it'll just completely ruin the sign, and you do not want that as like your last step. So I used the Gorilla Glue Ultimate Wood Glue, and I haven't had any issues. So once I take this off, usually what I'll do is I'll take about 1.25 inch penny nails, 14 gauge, with my nail gun, and just drive a couple of them into each end where the wood meets each other. So enough of my talking, let's get this taken off here and see what it looks like. I'm so excited! Alright, here it is. Boom! I like it. Hopefully you like it. We'll have it available in the shop the day that this is posted, so it should already be there by now. Free shipping as always. Support your local business, you guys. Christmas is coming up. So that'll pretty much do it for this week's installment of the 7 weeks of Cricutmas, not the 7 days like I said at the beginning. Someone's got the nervous Nellies. Alright, well I will see you guys next week, and I appreciate y'all for sticking around. Bye!